How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a beautiful Maserati MC20 in today that we're doing full PPF on. We'll top that with our ceramic coating, do exo shield, interior detail, and then it'll be good to go. We spent yesterday getting it decontaminated, polished up, and then printing out all of our cuts that we need, and we were rocking and rolling today.
All right, guys, so we're kind of OCD and perfectionists here, and obviously not every piece of film is going to go down perfectly. And as you can see, we got quite a bit of dirt right around this mirror. Even though we did all the necessary steps, we flushed it, we squeegeed it, we wiped it with alcohol and squeegeed it again, this stuff can still happen. So to make this kind of perfect, we're going to actually replace this whole piece, because everything on the rest of the door is great, but we don't want attention drawn to all this dirt around the mirror. And we tried flushing it out, getting it out, and we couldn't. So on with another piece. So if you look at this piece that we took off the door, you can see how clear it is. A lot of films, if you take up and wad up in a ball like this, it'll actually have a hint of yellow. So it's not a real clear film. One of the reasons this film stays so clear is because it comes with a cap sheet. So we always have to roll this cap sheet off the film before we plot it. But this is just one good way of keeping the film clear and imperfection free during shipment. So we take this off, plot it, stick it on the car.